Hey guys, happy holidays. Shane here with Danchuk. I got Mike on the other end filming us. We're gonna go over, we got a few more things we just wanted to show you. We have a bunch of new signs, collective signs, old school stuff, reproductions. Here's just a quick sample. We got Dad's Garage. We'll walk down through this table and show you a few of that. We also got some shirts we're gonna tell you about. One of my favorites here, get one of these gorgeous American flags because all of our parts are made in the US. Some Sinclair dyno gasoline signs. We got some great reprints here for the garage or your collective car room if you're into that kind of stuff. Really great old reproduction oil cans if you wanted to. I want to take these and make lights out of them, but come on down. This stuff's all in the showroom. We're going to walk you over here and show you a couple of our newer items too. We have some brand new clocks that are for sale. These are awesome. We got the Fire Chief, we got Coca-Cola, and genuine Chevrolet. So these are pretty neat. Great if you got one a collective room or want to throw one in the garage. We also have something that everyone has been talking about. So all my Nomad ladies and gentlemen out there, we got some new Nomad shirts. They're really cool. We also got the new Danchuk wagon shirt. As well as Mike has restocked our garage sale. We appreciate all the efforts. We're here for you. Come down and see us. Happy holidays. Give us a yell.